नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। I am Dr. Suman Ahuja, Assistant Professor, Kai Chikitsa Department, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I am going to take a lecture on Prameha Rog, Part 1. And in this lecture, I will discuss basic definition of the Prameha Rog, the causative factors, that is Nidanas, the classification of the Prameha Rog, and its Samprapti, and types of the Prameha according to the doshas involved. So let me share a presentation for you for your better understanding. So Prameha Rog, part 1. So the word Prameha basically consists of two words. That is pra, upsarg, prefix, and meha. Meha is derived from the root mehi sijjane, means watering with reference to disease of the human body. So excessive quantity and frequency is indicated by the prefix pro. Therefore, the word Prameha means passing of urine profusely, both in quantity and the frequency. So definition of Prameha, according to Acharya Vagbhat, is that frequent and copious passage of frequent and copious urine with turbidity. That is Prabhu Avil Mutrata. So doshas predominance in Prameha. So Bahudrav Ashleshma Dosh Vishesha. So there is basically Kaph dosh involvement, Kaph dosh predominance in the occurrence of the Prameha. And Dusha predominance is Ras, Rakt, and the loose mass, loose made, which is described in Samhitas as abad. Abad means loose mass and loose meda, majja, shukr, sharir, kled, vasa, lasika, and ojas. And on the basis of etiological on the basis of etiology, its classification is mentioned in Sushrut as two types, that is Sahaj, that is hereditary, and other is Apathe Nimittad, acquired. Apathe Ahar Vihar. Sahaj Prameha occurs as a result of B's dose, that is genetic origin. While describing prognosis, Acharya Charak has narrated that Jata Pramehi is incurable. So hereditary diseases are incurable. Apathe Nimittad, that is acquired, occur as a result of faulty diet and lifestyle. Now, what are the general nidanas of the Prameha? So, according to Acharya Charak, Asya Sukham, that is sitting idle. Swapna Sukham, excessive sleeping. Dadhini, excessive consumption of the dahi, curd. Gramya Odak, Anupras, so Anupras, excessive consumption of meat if any, of animals living in Gramya, Anup, and Odak Pradesh. Payansi, excessive consumption of milk. Nava Anpan, excessive consumption of newly produced cereals and rainy water. Good Vaikritam, product of jaggery, and Kafakrit, Kaf aggravating aharas. So these are the general causative factors of the Prameha Rog. Now, what are the purvu of Prameha Rog? First is Jatili Bhavam Kaisheshu, lump formation in hairstyle. Madhurasyam, sweet taste in mouth. Kar Padayo Supta Dahu, burning sensation and numbness in palms and soles. Mukh Talu Kantha Shosha, dryness of mouth, dryness of palate and the throat. Pipasam, excessive thirst. Alisam, that is a feeling of fatigue. Malam ke malam kaya, excessive malas on the body. Kaya Chidreshu Upadeho, excessive malas in the body holes like ear, nose, eyes. So Kaya Chidreshu Updeha, Paridaha Suptata Angadeshu, burning sensation and numbness in body, Shatpat Piblika, Shariram Mudra Abhisaranam, attraction of housefly and ants towards the body and the towards the body and urine. Now, what is the Jana Samprapti of the Prameha Rog? Because of consumption of above nidanas, vitiated vat, pith, and cough spoils mutra present in the mutrashi and causes respective symptoms. If it is spoiled by the vat, then vata symptoms will be there. If it is spoiled by the pit, then pitta symptoms will be there. If it is spoiled by the cough, then kapha symptoms will be there. Now, what are the different types of specific pramehas according to Acharya Charak? Vataj pramehi specific nidanas. Excessive consumption of kashai, katu, tikta, ruksh, laghu, sheet are. Excessive sexual indulgence, that is vivai, ati vivai. Excessive exercise, ati vyayam, ati yoga of vaman, virechan and shiro virechan. Suppression of uncontrollable urges, adharaniya veg dharan, upavas, injuries, that is injury to the body, excessive sun exposure, atap sevan, excessive bleeding, anxiety, sad behavior, excessive jagran, ratri jagran, wrong sitting and sleeping posture. So these were the basic nidanas for the specifically for the Vatashparmeha. Now Vatashparmeha Samprapti. So Vat gets vitiated in an obese person. So all these nidanas, if semen by the specifically obese person, then Vat gets vitiated. Observing above nidanas and enters in Mutrashya with Vasa, then causes Vasa mehe, enters with Majja, causes Majja mehe, enters with Lasika, the Hasti mehe, because Rogi passes small quantity of urine in excessive frequency, and when Madhur Sabhavaj Oj with enters with Vat in Mutrashya, then causes Madhumeh. And the Vatashpanhe classification according to Charak, there are 4 types of Vatashpanhe: Vasame, Majjame, Hastime, Madhumeh, as described earlier. And according to Sushruta, Vasame, Sarpime, Astime, Hastime, and Shodrme. Now, Pittach Parmeha Nidanas, excessive consumption of Ushna, Amli, Lavan, Kshar, Ahar, have food in indigestion, excessive sun, heat exposure, excessive Agni Santap exposure, excessive physical work, Visham Ahar, vitiate Pit in Medaj Sharir. There also importance is that all these nidanas is semen by the obese person. If they are semen by the, they are consumed by the Medaj Sharir. Then Pit gets vitiated in the obese person. Observing above nidanas when spoils made mass sharirik clade causes pittashparme. Pittashparme classification according to Charak, there are 6 types: क्षार में है, काल में है, नील में है, हरिद्र में है, मंजिष्ठ में है, and रक्त में. Sushruta has also described 6 types of pittashparme, but names are different. क्षार में, काल में is not indicated, सील में है, नील में है, शोणित में है, मंजिष्ठ में है, हरिद्र में है, and अम्ल में है. Now, Lakshanas of Pittashparmeha, Kshar mein passage of Kshar-like urine. Similarly, Kar mein passage of blackish urine. Neel mein passage of bluish urine. Haridra mein passage of turmeric colored urine. Manjishta mein passage of manjeet colored urine. And Rakt mein passage of blood in urine. Next, Kafaj Parme Nidanas, Kafardak Ahar Vihar, sedentary lifestyle, all these Nidanas, they cause Kafaj Parme. Kafaj Parme Samprapti, it gets vitiated in obese person. Kaf gets vitiated in obese person. Observing Kaf further Nidanas and spoils may the mass Sharirik clade causes Kafaj Parmeha. So what is the classification of Kafaj Parmeha? According to Charak, there are 10 types of Kafaj Parmeha. According to Sushruta also, there are 10 types of कफज पर में बस नेम्स आर डिफरेंट. अकॉर्डिंग टू चरक, उदक में है, एक शुवालिकार में है, सांद्र में है, सांद प्रसाद में है, शुक्ल में, शुक्र में, शीत में, सिक्ता में, शनैर में, लाला में. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू सुश्रुत, उदक में है, एक शुवालिकार में है, सांद्र में है, सुरा में है, पिष्ट में, शुक्र में है. सुश्रुत हैज नॉट मेंशन्ड शीत एंड लाला में. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट सिक्ता में है, शनैर में है, लवन में एंड फेन में. सो दीज आर द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ कफज पर में अकॉर्डिंग टू Sushruta and Charak. Now, Kafaj Parme classification and their symptoms. Udak mein frequent passage of diluted urine. Shuvalikar mein frequent passage of sugarcane like sweet urine. And Sandha mein frequent passage of concentrated urine. Sandha Prasad mein frequent passage of concentrated urine, which on at rest divided into 2 parts: upper diluted part and lower concentrated part. शुक्ल में frequent passage of turbid urine, शीत में frequent passage of sweet and cold urine, सिक्त में frequent passage of urine with sludge, शनैर में frequent passage of urine with low stream, लाला में frequent passage of urine with thready consistency, that is tantuvat. So these all were the nidanas, general nidanas, specific nidanas, samprapti, their classification according to different acharyas. So these were the important concept of Parmeya Rog. So thanks for watching this video, and this video was powered by Digital 2.0 version, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with the session. If there is any query, if there is any doubt, you can write in the comment box, and later on that will be resolved. Thank you so much.